Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Coconote app. It is an AI-powered note-taking tool designed to help users turn audio and video recordings into organized notes, quizzes, and flashcards. It's particularly useful for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to record and summarize content from lectures, meetings, or multimedia resources. Alright, again, one of its key features is that it summarizes video. It can even summarize YouTube videos by just pasting the URL, offering a quick overview of key points. Also, they have these flashcards and quizzes creation, which is automatically generated from the notes. These features can help users study more efficiently. Also, the language support and translation. The app supports over 100 languages for translation, which can be useful for non-native speakers or global content. Though limited right now, future updates aim to allow exporting platforms like Google Docs or Notion. And on the downside, some users have experienced app crashes, resulting in lost data, for example, notes and recordings, especially with longer session. And additionally, the app is free only for limited use, and there are in-app purchases for premium features such as the Unlimited Pass, which can be expensive for users who want to fully unlock the app's potential. Alright, so you can see here they have 4.8 out of 5 reviews here on Apple App Store. Well, overall, Coconote has received praise for its ease of use, particularly for people with learning difficulties or those in need of a quick, organized study materials. However, its reliability and pricing could be potential drawbacks for some users. If you're someone who values efficient note-taking and study aids, it may be worth trying out the free version, alright? But keep in mind the potential limitations of the paid plans. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.